Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have a new kit recently released. It's available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop. I will link to it in the description box below. I know it's a little late for fall, but I was inspired, so I went ahead and did it anyway. This is called Fall Twilight. It is 12 collage or pattern pages and 12 ephemera pages, including a backing page. And I'm just going to flip through and show you the different pages. I did not print this on photo quality. I did not print this borderless, but I did print it on other matte inkjet paper and best quality. And this is what it looks like. And I'm using 32-pound paper. I'll link to the paper that I use and the printer that I use in the description box below. I do use the HP Instant Ink. I'll put the link for that as well. So this is the pattern. This is another window. Got lots of patterns. And here we go with a leaf pattern. The pumpkin pattern. I love these leaves. They got like little gold highlighting in the black leaves in the background. Okay, more pumpkin pattern. So you got lights and darks and fall colors. This is another favorite. Love the dark pumpkins. This could work for Halloween too. Some more leaves, and then that is the 12 pages of the collage and pattern papers. So no journal pages, just collage and pattern papers in this one. This is the ephemera and deco. So we got the large envelopes. This one. The windows. These are cards that can fit in these envelopes. This card can fit in those envelopes, and these cards can fit in this coin envelope. You got some circle pieces that you can use. These are pockets and labels. These are more pockets, kind of library style pockets. So this is the front and this is the back of the pocket, and labels, front of the pocket, back of the pocket. This is another card. I have this upside down. Yeah, this is upside down. So this is a small envelope. These cards fit in this envelope. This card will fit in the envelope folded. And then we have another journaling style card. We got large tags and tiny tags. Then these are the medium-sized tags. And I printed these on paper, so when I use them, I'll have to back them, but you can print them on cardstock. This is the CD envelope with more labels. And then this is the CD envelope insert. It can be folded or you can cut it in half and use it elsewhere. This could be a belly band, a tuck spot. Here's another set of envelopes with pieces that can fit in the envelopes. And then if you want to do banker style closures, I have circles here that you can use for that. Then this is the backing paper for all of that. So you would print this on one side and then this on the other side, so that when you open your envelopes, you have a nice pattern. Okay. So that is the 12 pages of ephemera and deco. Again, this is available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop. It is linked in the description box below. Let me know what you think about the kit. I will be using a few pages in the fall journal that I'm working on. I'll link to that journal in the iCard up above. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.